Hello everyone. Today we will make South Indian street food Mulaku Vada or Chili Vada. So let's begin. First we need to ferment the yeast. I have taken half a glass of lukewarm water here. The warmth of the water should be such that a baby can safely dip its finger in it. Now add 1 teaspoon of sugar into it. Add 1 teaspoon active dry yeast into it and mix well. Let it ferment and rise for about 10 to 15 minutes. In the meantime, let's finely chop 1 onion, a small piece of ginger and 3 green chilies. If you have curry leaves, finely chop them and add it. Let's take 1 cup of plain flour in a bowl. Add half teaspoon salt to it. Add 2 teaspoon yogurt at room temperature to it. Now add the finely chopped onions, ginger and green chilies. Now we can see that our yeast mixture is fermented very well here. Give it a nice mix and add it into our bowl. If you need, you'll have to add some water. Make sure you add warm water. I had to add about 1/4 cup more. The dough should be kind of sticky like this. Now cover it with a cling film and let it rest for about 3 hours. It has been 3 hours now. The dough will look like this. Now for frying, heat up oil in a pan and reduce the flame to low when the oil is really hot. Wet your palms with water and then take the dough like this and make a small hole in the center. We dip our palm in the water so that it doesn't stick to our hands. Make sure you heat up the oil to a high temperature and then keep it on a low flame. Now let's get it fried in the oil. Turn the vada every now and then until it is golden brown. Before taking it out from the oil, increase the flame to high and then take it onto a plate. This is a really tasty South Indian street food. Give it a try and let me know your comments in the comment box. So until we meet again with a new recipe, bye.